Nobody got gun.
Fucking liar. Who's got the gun?
Nobody got the gun. Yes, sir.
Don't even question me on that, saying that you didn't hear anything when we were sitting right there and heard cannons going on. I mean, there's no way you didn't hear that. No way. Take your hands out of your pocket. Who's got the gun?
Nobody got gun.
Fucking liar. Who's got the gun?
Nobody got the gun.
We just found shit.
Where? This is BB gun. No, this is BB gun. The BB gun is right there in the corner.
Hey.
Right there in the corner. Right there. It's right there in the corner. It's a BB gun. What are you talking about?
You didn't hear the gunfire?
No. Probably. You know what happened?
Yeah. I had an officer sitting right there that heard the gunfire.
Okay, listen.
2 of them.
No. Listen.
Yes.
Okay, let me.
Why do you think we're all out here?
No, listen.
We're not out here for our help.
Okay, but we don't have a gun. This car I tested because I'm gonna bring to commerce.
Did it go 30 times? Did it go back,
you
back,
want,
back, back, back,
yeah,
back,
you want to
back
hear?
30 times?
You want to hear?
I do want to hear.
Yeah, because this is mistake.
Do it again.
Whatever, listen.
Crank it up.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Stop talking, crank it up and show me. Because you know you ain't going to do it.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
This is a mistake. You ready? Hey, this is a mistake. But the way he speaks, I don't like.
Why did you say that?
No, because whatever he asked me, do you hear a gun? I said, no, I don't hear a gun.
You're wasting our time out here.
Well, I don't know. Well, listen, I don't know. Whatever is a gun, I work in mechanic shop. So whatever you ask me, you hear a gun, I say, no, I don't hear a gun.
I understand. Listen to me.
Well, the first time, I don't want to dead in the street because it's illegal, so I do it in my shop.
Okay. You know where the bridge is right there?
Yes.
There's 2 policemen sitting under the bridge like this, and they hear that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, guy. I'm sorry.
And then we see a target with bullets.
Hey, I'm sorry, but this car always bring to the track. So I want to make sure.
And that is fine.
No problem.
But
Damn.
I'm sorry.
Even when you fired that up, I was standing over here. I puckered up, you know?
Yeah, these 2 guys down here, under the bridge, they're cool.
No, I'm sorry. But
Oh, it's no problem.
yeah, I'm sorry because when the guy asking me, do you hear a shot, a gun? I said, no way.
You couldn't hear a damn thing over that.
Yeah, but this is launch control.
You know, we've been listening to that, standing right here looking at it.
And I just did it here because I don't want to do it this week.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Sorry.
Sorry,
No, you make me scared because see a lot of police.
I got a little loud, but like I said, it's a little...
I'm sorry, man.
All
Oh my.
right. Well, I'm on the car.
All right, my friend. Sorry, guys. Sorry.